Boom, baby, what up? This is Morad Fiki, your real estate expert. I'm super excited. I want to show everybody this fantastic and fully renovated home right over here just off South Post Oak in Post Oak Manor subdivision. We are super close to the Med Center and Reliant Energy Arena, Park, Stadium, some of the best live entertainment Houston has to offer. So this house has been fully renovated and is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that red door. Let's turn this around real quick so you can get a nice view. Beautiful, fully renovated, modernized, 4510 Benning Drive right here in 77035. So want to check that out for you. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that nice red door. Whoa. Bang. Nice open spaces. Nice view of the breakfast room. Look at these. So I want to add a few things real quick. This house has been fully updated and modernized. So we're talking about brand new appliances, brand new flooring, open floor plan, countertops, cabinets. I mean, the works. They really went all out on this remodel. So it is absolutely amazing. You have the bedrooms over here on the left side. So you got one Jack and Jill bathroom. Let's have a look at this modern style. The light fixtures, everything. Gorgeous. And you can tell they know what they're doing. When you do, you know, some homes you walk into and the rehab just wasn't done so great. And then others you walk into and you say, wow. And that is really, this is one of those because I've seen a ton of them. I mean, they really went all out, did a beautiful job. Brand new plumbing, electrical, new flooring, new AC unit, new cabinets, new appliances. I mean, they really went all out. Beautiful floor plan, open concept. And then here's another thing I want to note. Look at how the dark contrasts against the light. I mean, the way the colors are done, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Plenty of light coming into the home. That's positive energy. And then we go into the master bathroom. Just want to have a look at that. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. You have the two double shower heads, double vanities, and the light blue, grayish colors against the white. I love that. It's amazing. And look at these light fixtures. I can't believe that you can get into this home for $310. This is absolutely amazing. And you're pretty much centrally located. You're only a few steps away from the Galleria. Nice big backyard for entertaining. Whoa. Wow. So, check that out. That is what I'm talking about. I kind of want this house for myself, actually. So, I am asking all of my friends, bring your buyers, come have a look. I have a $25 Starbucks gift card if you mention this post. I'm super excited. I think this is going to be a beautiful home for a very lucky family. So this weekend, bring your buyers, have a look, let's put it together. Okay, I want to make a family very, very happy. Okay, this is an absolutely gorgeous home, fully renovated, fully updated, and just beautiful and ready for a very lucky family. You're just right here by Loop 610, by the way. So if you need to go to the games, the best entertainment that Houston has to offer, we're right here around the corner. Okay, so, and just check out how nice and quiet it is out here. I mean, super relaxing, gorgeous, nice, beautiful red door. I mean, even the style with the wood that contrasts against the brick, I love that. So bring the buyers, let me know, let's put it together, and let's make somebody very, very happy. Thank you so much.